As floods continue to cripple most of Assam on Tuesday, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma visited the Karalpara Nayapara area in Bajali's Bhabanipur. Sarma walked through the inundated streets and interacted with the local residents. A woman was spotted greeting the CM with a fulam gamosa. Sarma assured assistance to the flood-hit people. The CM said a list of affected people will be prepared and relief materials will be provided accordingly. Sarma was accompanied by the Panchayat and Rural Development Minister, Ranjit Kumar Das, during his visit to Kubara in Bajali's Patachar Kuchi. He inspected the area to understand the damage caused by the overflowing Kaldia River. The Chief Minister visited the flood relief camps at number 425 Medhikuchi Model Primary School and Bhabanipur PHC. He said, "We'll provide assistance for the reconstruction of damaged houses." 9 crore rupees has been sanctioned for strengthening the embankment of the Pahumar River and construction of a road on it. According to the latest report by the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, more than 21 lakh people in 22 districts of the northeastern state continue to reel under flooding, with the river Kopili still flowing above the danger level. Currently, more than 12 lakh people are staying at relief camps.